Hello traders, today I will tell you about the 5 most popular strategies on the Olymp Trade platform. Trend strategy. Main idea. Based on identifying the current trend direction and entering a trade in the trend direction. How to use. Use indicators such as moving averages or trend direction indicators to determine the overall market direction. Support and resistance strategy. Main idea. Uses support and resistance levels to determine entry and exit points for trades. How to use. Mark key support and resistance levels and enter trades when the price touches these levels. Moving averages strategy. Main idea. Uses the intersection of moving averages to determine a trend change. How to use. Enter a trade when the shorter term moving average crosses the longer term one, according to the selected time interval. RSI, Relative Strength Index. Strategy. Main idea. Measures the relative strength of the market to determine whether an asset is overbought or oversold. How to use. Enter a trade when RSI indicates a potential trend change. Short-term strategy. Main idea. Focuses on short-term price changes, usually within a few minutes. How to use. Use charts with short time intervals and react to rapid price changes to make trades. So, today we have covered the 5 most used strategies for trading on the Olymp Trade platform. You can also write to me and ask any questions you may have. That's all for now. Good luck to everyone. See you.